Hey guys, welcome back to But's Paradise. Today is my husband's birthday, so I'm making his favorite biryani and pakoda. Without further ado, let's dive into the recipe. First, let's make the masala paste for the biryani. In a mixie, I've taken green chilies, garlic, ginger, some coriander leaves, and little bit pudina, 1/4 cup coconut, 1 long. Grind it into a paste, keep it aside. In another bowl, take 2 cups of rice, wash it 2-3 times and keep it aside. Now let's chop some vegetables here. I've taken capsicum, carrot, onion. You can add vegetable of your choice. Chop them and keep it aside. Now take a cooker, add 4 teaspoons of ghee, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, onion, 3 elaichi, 4 clove, 1 star anise. Fry them well. Add some chili powder, haldi, 2 teaspoon biryani masala, half teaspoon garam masala. Don't burn the masala here. Now add the ground paste. Fry very well. See, this is perfect. Now add the washed rice. Here I have taken basmati rice. I have some coriander stems here. Now here I added 4 cups of water. If you take 2 cups of rice, add double the water. 2 teaspoon sugar to balance the taste, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon curd. Now here you can taste and see if everything is correct. Close the cooker and keep it for 5 minutes. Here I have taken fulka grill. Add chopped onions and capsicum. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. This is done. This gives very nice barbecue flavor. Put it in a bowl and close it so that our flavor doesn't go. Now take a charcoal piece on the gas and keep the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add the vegetables here. We don't like cooked vegetables. See, this charcoal is burning red now. Keep it for some more time. Add some salt. Our biryani is cooked now. Keep it aside for cooling. Now turn the charcoal and keep it for some more time. Add half teaspoon of biryani masala, red chili powder. Mix it well. This is done now. Add it to the biryani. Add the barbecued vegetables also. Now make a hole in the center for keeping our charcoal. Now this is good. Off the gas and keep it in the center of the pot. Add some ghee. Close the lid immediately and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Using charcoal in biryani imparts a rich, smoky flavor that elevates the dish to restaurant quality. Done now. Now let's make pakodas. I've chopped some onions, palak leaves, some green chilies, 1 teaspoon saunf, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. I've added some coriander stems and some coriander leaves. This gives a nice flavor. Please add it. Hing, haldi powder and salt. Mix it very well. Crush the onions so that it leaves the water. Now add 4 teaspoon of maida, 2 teaspoon of gram flour. Mix it very well. Maida will make the pakoras very crispy. Now removing this takes much longer time than making the actual pakodas. Close it and keep it aside. Now let's fry. Don't make the pakodas round shape. Make it little bit flat so that it turns very crispy. Fry in medium hot oil. Don't burn it. Our crispy pakoda is ready. Take out. You can store these pakodas in airtight container for 2 days. It will be good. Second batch is also ready now. This is very tasty and crunchy. Now see how crispy this is. Now let's do the plating. I made some raita here. Our crispy and tasty pakodas. This is sajjige vada. For the dessert I have wheat laddu and 1 fried chilies and sprinkle some coriander. Our excellent tasty simple biryani is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.